Well, hi folks, it's finally come that day when I'm going to empty one of my potatoes out now, and the one I'm going to empty out is this one. This is one of the ones I planted exactly 100 days ago. Just one seed potato in a little 10 litre pot. So we'll get the old tripod set up and we'll see how many we've got. I'm not expecting many. If I get enough for a meal out of one little pot, as you can see it's only a tiny little pot. That'll be good, and it'll give me an idea of how far along other ones will be. So like I say, I'll get set up and then we'll get them out and see what we've got. I might as well do it outside because it's too hot in the polytunnel. So we'll see what we've got. I'm not going to bother replanting these like I used to do because I've got plenty growing. So we'll see what we've got. See if I can just pull it out in one lump actually. Give it a go anyway, see if it'll come out in a plug. No, it won't. So just snap those off and empty her out. I feel a few lumps and bumps in there. Whether there's anything there. Oh, we've got a few. Look at that. Looking alright. About perfect size. So these were done exactly 100 days ago now. Just one seed potato, Nicola. Looking quite promising. Don't forget we went through all the really cold weather in May. I think I've timed it about perfectly. Look at those, perfect shape, about the size of an egg. Oh yeah, there's plenty. Don't forget one little seed potato, one small pot. So you can't really, oh look at these, look at these, look at these. Wow! I think this is possibly my best ever crop from one potato. Now that's the seed potato. It was quite a big seed potato, mind you. So hopefully the ones where I planted 2 and even 3 seed potatoes should give quite a lot. So let's have a see. I think that's about it. But I'm really pleased with that. We've got about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 15, 19 and a little one, 20. So we've got a really good crop there from just one seed potato. So the first potato reveal of the year has been a huge success, I would say. Not bad for one seed potato, 100 days in a little pot. It's more than enough for a meal for us there. So there we go folks, looking good, the first spud reveal of the year, and it's been a good one. That's about it folks, see you later.